everyone, and Sudhanshu Jha in particular.
Good evening.
Darren Golsey, an author, he says, Gandhiji, without his armies at his command, he mobilized 10 of millions and his speeches still do so today. That is a powerful speaker. That is the power of your speech today, Sudhanshu. A huge round of applause to him. Ladies and gentlemen, who is a powerful leader? Who is a leader basically? Anybody?
One who inspires.
Good. Anything else from the side?
Communicates.
Yes. And a person? Yes?
Someone who gives direction.
Directions, exactly.
Motivates people.
Yes.
Someone who someone who is fearless.
Great. There are so many qualities. And I would say Sudhanshu Jha is a perfect example of a person who is there for that person at any need of the hour. Because I experienced it. This is about the semi-annual conference, district conference called the Jamhuri, which he said as a product, a marketing head. Now, how did he start? What was his opening sentence? He said, this 9-month project was like delivering a baby. Now, that was an instant connection with the audience. There was a huge round of laughter. So instantly he connected with the audience, which is a brilliant way of connecting. Again, was it relevant to the audience is one of the objectives. Obviously, we learned the 2 principles. Could anybody say about the principles out there? WWH. And what is WWH?
What,
why, how. Exactly. And the 30-40 formula of the MLA, Vijay Kumar of Jayanagar. Now, he used this formula in his strategy of marketing head. Now, things which we learned as onlookers or as lay people out here is that he taught us the importance of delegating tasks. Now, he never did it. He was one-man army in his trip of shifting places from Oracle to the new company which he is into. He lost that precious time, but nobody lost hope, though they bombarded him with questions. He learned and he taught us the importance of delegating tasks and organizing with using these 2 formulas. Now, his vocal variety was very audible and clear. His gestures were good to an extent. I would say 2 things as recommendation. Trust me is a word used, and I think even I use it, and most of the speakers today have used it. So you could just avoid that as a speaker and your position of standing. You stood like this in a very casual way, which I felt a speaker or a leader would, you should have had more powerful standing in the center or coming on near the lectern. That I would say. Otherwise, a person who connected well with these formulas, a humorous speaker. He just asked questions to the audience, and that was a brilliant way. Because why is the audience answering these questions is because they are listening. A leader commands the listening skills of the audience, and that you have it in you. Now, on the other side, what I felt was you connected with your personal story. When you had the guiding committee of Suhas Kumar, Sudha Balaji and A.K. Prabhakara in your team. So they also helped you as mentors. A person with no experience in such a huge conference, coming over, taking over was the biggest challenge. So he taught us in the conclusion of his speech, get out of your comfort zone, each and everyone out here. It is not just for me, it is everyone. Get out of the comfort zone and accept challenges. Yes, panic-stricken, worry, stress, nervousness. So what? 2 words as Rajiv sir says in his speech is so what? We are learning. Basically, life is a journey, a learning experience. He has learned, and his high-performance leadership has taught us one basic lesson. What is that? One basic, yes, take challenges, get out of your comfort zone, and you are there as a great leader. Over to you.